The government has launched a program that is designed to protect and conserve marine biodiversity areas in the country. The full report from Sweden, Velado.
There are a total of 123 identified marine key biodiversity areas, or MKBA, in the Philippines, and this is one of the major reasons why marine biologists from different parts frequent our country. MKBAs are home to thousands of marine species such as corals, giant clams, sharks and rays, seagrasses, and mangroves. In line with the celebration of Month of the Ocean, the DENR, in partnership with private environmental organizations, launched its MKBA project to protect our marine biodiversity areas.
Ang primary objective niya is to improve yung management ng ating marine protected area and marine protected area networks. So kahit na napakarami ng mga sanctuaries natin, kung hindi naman yung medyo i-manage properly, talagang of course yung hindi natin ma-achieve yung objectives para ma-increase yung resources natin sa karagatan.
The project also aims to strengthen policy frameworks for conservation of marine protected areas. Meanwhile, DENR Director Mundita Lim shared that her agency continues to coordinate with the Department of Foreign Affairs with regard to reclamation of China in West Philippine Sea that has already caused several damages to our coral reefs.
We actually worked through the Department of Foreign Affairs to address some of these illegal activities that are being undertaken by certain entities.
For the People's Television, this is Sweden, Velado.